Yeah, I got a pizza here for Bryan. Oh, cool. How much? $15.50. What's this? It's your pizza. This isn't a pizza. Sure it is. This is a shoe box. There's no pizza inside. Did you look inside the box? No, but okay, fine. Yeah, see? Shoes. I don't even know why I looked. Pizza shoes. What? They're pizza shoes. Okay, yeah, true, but I ordered a pizza to eat. Okay. For dinner? Sure. I can't eat this. Sure you can. What? You can eat it. I literally can't. Eat the shoe. I'm not eating the shoes. Eat the shoes. No! I'm not eating them. This is insane. Okay, you know what? I'm calling your manager. What's your name? Bryan. That's not your name, that's my name. I'm sorry, do you think you're the only Bryan that exists? Sorry, it's just a weird coincidence. Have you never met a Bryan before? No, I have. What are you doing? I'm calling my buddy Bryan to tell him that I met another Bryan that claims he's never met a Bryan before. What? I don't think I'm the only Bryan. Get this. I'm delivering a pizza. I'm delivering a pizza to another guy named Bryan, and he can't believe my name is Bryan. Okay, now you're just mocking me. Yeah. All right. I'll hand him the phone. What? It's for you. Hello?
Hey, Bryan. This is Bryan. Eat the shoe.
Wait, what?
Eat the shoe. Eat the
What the hell is going on here?
Eat the shoe. Eat the shoe.
No.
Eat the shoe. Eat the shoe.
I'm sorry, do you think you're the only Bryan that exists? Bryan.
Pizza shoe.
Hi, I'm Bryan Phillips with Swell Guy Customs. Today, we're going to be customizing this classic pair of Checkerboard slip-on Vans. The Vans Checkerboard slip-on is a SoCal staple. The popularity originating in the late 60s, early 70s really took off with skate and surf culture down here on the coast. It's become a classic even in a world where there's outlandish sneaker designs. The classic slip-on silhouette still remains popular and is actually one of the most requested sneakers that we get on our YouTube channel. I got in hand with us today the vintage red and cream pattern, and the first thing I think of when I look at it is the classic pizza box. It's not leather, it's made out of canvas, so we don't have to prep or deglaze it. The first thing we can do is just tape the midsole. Now that we got them all taped up, the first thing we're gonna do is paint the toe box. In order to do that, I wanna make sure that the toes are in full shape, so you can either use shoe trees or stuff them with paper towels or cloths, and then we'll get a good shape for painting on that surface. Next thing I'm gonna do is take a mixture of vanilla and Too Soft to put down a base surface on top of the checkerboard. I'm not gonna cover the entire checkerboard, I still want the checkerboard pattern on there, but I'm just gonna paint the general shape of what we're putting on the toes. For painting on canvas surface like these slip-ons, you're gonna wanna use Too Soft. It's the best medium to help the paint adhere to the canvas but still keep its soft and flexible shape. I'm using vanilla because the shoe isn't a pure white, it's more of an off-white beige eggshell color. Through some testing, I found that the vanilla was the closest comparison to the color on the shoe. I'm doing this sort of freehand. You can feel free to sketch it out with pencil first, just to get a better idea of how much space you're taking up. I'm gonna be using a reference photo that I found online to use as my guide for the shape of the cartoon. Now that we've got a few coats of the vanilla base coat down, you want to make sure you use a heat gun to heat set it for a few minutes to make sure the paint sets into the actual canvas. As you can see, we're using a light color on top of a dark color, and the red checkerboard is still poking through a little bit. So I'm just going to use vanilla by itself on top of this to cover all the dark areas. We got the base coat down, now I'm just going to draw on the art and we'll use some line work to fill it all in. I'm just gonna take a pencil and just get the general shape, general lines of what I'm drawing. Just kind of place things where they're supposed to be, so when I do the line work, I know where everything is. I'm gonna make my own green using just the standard Angelus green color and a couple dots of white just to lighten it up a little bit. Now we're gonna do the same thing, but on the other shoe, we're gonna add wording. A lot of pizza boxes advertise as hot or delicious. I'm gonna put fresh, hot, and cheesy, because that's what the ladies call me. So when I'm painting this, I don't need to mix the too soft with the green mixture. We already put down our base coat with the vanilla, and so we can just paint right on top of it with just straight out the bottle paint. So we got the art on the toes, but we can't have a pizza box without actual pizza. So we're gonna take some maize and too soft and apply it to the side panels. Next thing we gotta do is add the details for the melted cheese and maybe add some toppings onto this pizza. I'm gonna take that green from earlier and add some too soft to it. That way when it dries on the tongue, it stays flexible. And we're done. Fresh out the oven with a little bit of too soft and patience, you can make yourself a pair of pizza box themed checkerboard slip-on Vans. I'm Bryan Phillips with Swell Guy Customs. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Check out my work on Instagram and Facebook at Swell Guy Customs. And let us know below what food you would like to see on a pair of customs. Thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you next time.